Hello internet friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay, LiJo, your girl, here. What up? Happy you made it here. This video is about the thing. And some of you know the thing from the video that I made about the thing, the concept of the thing, but today's video is about the actual thing. This thing has been a part of my life for the past 10 months in development and even longer in that within my brain insides, and I'm excited to be able to share it with you today. So let's talk about the actual thing. So before I made YouTube videos, I was a subscriber just like you guys, and I subscribed to channels that I followed for years, and those YouTubers, I went through experiences as they were going through experiences, and in a lot of ways I kind of grew up with them as they were going through life and I was going through mine. And so much I just felt like I knew them, and I would want to just be like, I would want to tell them things like, oh my gosh, that thing that you said the other day, it totally related to this thing. And then it's like you try to do it in the comments, and then sometimes you hear back from them, but sometimes not. So what I wanted to do originally was to develop an application where I could take video sessions with people and talk to them. Something that had the video platform, the booking platform, and the payment platform all in one entity, because when I had searched for things like that, there was always a disconnect. Like you would have to use a booking software, then you would have to use Zoom, or you would have to use some other kind of software, and someone would have to download something. And like, my TE didn't like that. I didn't want this to be a separation. I wanted to be all enclosed in a singular entity. And so I couldn't find that. So I was like, well, obviously I need to build it. That was it. I was like, I'm going to make a thing for YouTubers to be able to connect with their subscribers over video chat with all of these entities kind of combined, where they just have a one-stop shop where they can do everything. They get one link, the person can go to it, book, go through the video chat, everything right there. That's what has been happening. I have been working with two of my best and closest friends at this point. I mean, however close we were before, we're closer now. And we have made this thing. We are a team of 3 co-founders, and our product is Snugg. What is Snugg? Snugg is a backstage pass to your favorite YouTubers on YouTube. So with that said, I'm going to show you some behind the scenes footage of the thing being built with 2 of my closest best friends, Mack, Jason. Big shout outs. Mack is our developer, our software engineer, the most brilliant human I've ever known. Jason, he is our communications and marketing genius. So I couldn't do this without them. They are my ride or dies. And so here's a little behind the scenes fun of the thing and us doing the thing. So, good morning, friends of the internet. Yes, I said good morning. It's Saturday, and it's 5:39 in the morning, and I am on my way to my good friend and business partner's location, in which we will be working on our project for the next 7 or 8 hours.
Hello, today is Thursday, December 26th, and Snugg is not launched yet, but we're getting there. We just got done with sessions. We're moving into Stripe, finally moving into Stripe. So, yeah.
It is January 1st, 2020. Mack,
Hello.
how's it going in the Snuggery?
It's great.
Upcoming sessions is looking dope.
Except I can't figure out how to fucking keep this sticky here.
We're just trying to keep it a little sticky, that's all. Mack, what day is it today?
Today is the January 11th.
Okay. What are we doing?
Right now we are working on the flow for getting paid.
We got new foxes, so that's exciting. We're testing everything we have up to this point, and we are going to be finishing this thing very soon. So,
yeah.
but still a lot of testing to do before we get there. But it's going great so far. It's a beautiful product.
Thank you. Thank you.
How are the blueberry muffins?
I haven't had one yet.
Today is January 30th,
correct?
Correct.
January 30th, 2020. And we are in downtown West Palm Beach right now, about to attend a little meetup to network with other business owners. We're really excited because Snugg will be launching in 2 weeks. And isn't this the song in the TikTok memes?
We are very excited to then be creating our search feature as well, which we've decided is going to be MVP and it wasn't going to be before, so.
Yes, the search feature.
Yes.
That will act as a distinguisher between what influencers are on Snugg and what are not on Snugg.
Yep, it's going to be excellent, and it will be a very easy way for people to request their influencers to join the platform.
Yes.
So.
Mac, what have we been doing all day? What time is it right now?
I don't know. What time is it? It's 2:35.
What time did we start working this morning?
6 a.m. Like 6:11.
What are we doing today, Mac?
Today we're launching Snugg.
Snugg is born today. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, there's going to be some links below. You can check them out. You can book time with me. I have a session in there. I'll be offering more sessions in the future. And if you want to hang out with me as your internet friend, I'm there. So that is Snugg, a little glimpse of the future. If you have friends who are influencers, tell them to go to snugg.me, become an influencer, and they can join us. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Be back to normal stuff then, but Snugg is always a part of everything now, so. All right, bye.
You can see that it's extreme intelligence and
You said that, do you?